Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change color of any object on Pixlr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top section and proceed forward with your email address. Once you are logged in, click on the Pixlr editor option to get into the editor window. You can then click on open image to open up the photo that you wish to edit. Once you open up the image within which you would like to change the color, go ahead and click on the color selection option at the left side and then choose which color you would like to change the object into. After choosing your color, click on the OK button and now within the left side, look for the color replace option. Once you find it, just click on it and this will now open up the brush menu. Just click on the size and you can manually increase or decrease your size. After choosing an appropriate size to make your edit, you can now zoom in by holding Ctrl within your keyboard and using the mouse wheel to scroll up or down to zoom in or zoom out. And now you can simply use this brush to fill up the color that you have selected within the object. And once you are done, you can tap on the save button at the bottom right corner to save your image and download it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the color of any object on Pixlr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.